Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech, and here I got a new and free USDT mining platform, the most trusted mining platform where you can mine USDT for free and easily. Now if you click on three dots, and I am going to show that withdraw proof of this website, and you can check out I got withdraw of 2.92 USDT about this website about today, and you can check out dates and time, and status is also paid out, and this website paid me directly within second direct to my first pay account from this mining platform. And you can check out how much time I got withdraw from this free USDT mining platform. You can also generate this type of free USDT. How can you generate? I will teach you in this video right now. Now first of all, how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. You can check out 5500 user already use this website. About 1583 USDT already deposit by different user, and only running days only 6, and you can check latest deposit, latest withdrawal take place from this free mining platform. All things is in front of you, and just click on get started option now, and here you need to enter your first pay email address. Just need a first pay email address, and then click on start mining now. Your mining will start here automatically. You already check out my withdrawal proof from this free mining platform, and if you scroll down you can check out you can generate 0.025 USDT per day if you can't make deposit here. And if you want to deposit here, now the minimum deposit amount is very little bit, and you can check out over here. Now you can check out, you can purchase minimum 1000 GH hash rate power, and you need, if you want to purchase 1000 GH hash rate power, you need to make deposit of 0.1 USDT, and you can generate 0.025 USDT if by just purchasing of 1000 GH hash rate power. And if you can make deposit only 1 USDT in this website, then you will be able to generate 0.25 USDT per day, and you will receive your deposit amount from this website in just 4 days. And if you can make deposit of 10 USDT, then you can check out, you can generate 2.5 USDT per day, and you can take your total deposit amount from this website in just 4 days. How can you make deposit? Just click on deposit option now, and you can check out, you can purchase minimum 1000 GH hash rate power, and maximum as much as you want you can purchase from this website. Now if you want to purchase up to 10,000, about to 10k GH hash rate power, just click on buy now option. Then this website directly bring you into your first pay account to make your first deposit to enhance your earning over here. And here you need to select your currency of USDT like this one, then click on proceed to payment. You need to make deposit only 10 USDT if you want to purchase 1 lakh GH hash rate power in this website to be able to generate 2.5 USDT per day from this free mining website. And we also have calculator. If you go to purchase deposit here 100 USDT, then you can receive 25 USDT per day from this mining platform, and you can take withdraw from here within second, very easily and quickly. Now this is withdrawal, and this is very useful website. About 2 days and yesterday's and tomorrow you can generate a huge number of benefit if you follow my instructions that I given you in this video. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to receive this free mining website, you need to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.